Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do a reel in Instagram. So reels are very trending nowadays. How you can create your own reel. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So how you can do a reel in the Instagram? First of all, you have to open your Instagram, log into your account. Once you will do it, now you can simply click on the your story on the left top to create a reel, or you can simply click on this plus icon. Here you will find a reel option. So reel is not available in my region right now, but if reels is available in your region or country, you will simply find a reel. Simply shoot a new reel from here and enjoy it. So this is the way to do reels on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.